Hey guys, so I wanted to take you on this journey with me with a company called Monat. You've probably heard of them. I've been wanting to try them for a while, and I had a few model friends that have been working with them for a little while, recommending the products, and just the results that they are getting are undeniable. So I wanted to try the products. I'm giving them a try. I had also previously already tried their skincare products. This moisturizer has been amazing, so I decided to go on a journey to help the health of my hair specifically with this company, and I just received all of my products and I'm so excited to start using them. So I just wanted to take you guys on this journey with me, show you guys the real results of these products from start on it takes to get my hair back to a good growing state. And so today I'm going to start the process, and my hair is really dry and actually sweaty right now. I just got done riding some horses out at the ranch. But so I am going to start with the Rejuvenique hair and skin oil. So this, I'm still learning about the product, so I'm going to, as I go, I may be referring to the instructions on how to use them and how Monat actually says to use them. So this is a pre-shampoo treatment, and it says to apply a generous amount to dry or damp hair and scalp and leave on for 15 minutes. You can also do a more intensive hydrating treatment by leaving it on a lot longer, putting a moist, damp towel on your head. Go ahead and wash my hair and do some auditions and things, so I'm just going to go the quick route. But I will go ahead and apply this on as a pre-shampoo treatment to start with before I get in the shower. Oh, this is a mess. We blondes, if you're a blonde, you know how damaged and dry your hair can get from all the coloring, and then, you know, as a model being on set working with a lot of heat tools, curling your hair, straightening your hair, all of that. So you're supposed to add this not only to your scalp, but also the ends of your hair, and then work it in. So I'm just going to work it into the scalp a little bit. And it comes in this nice little dropper right here. Smells awesome. So after you get it on your scalp a little bit, I'm just going to rub it in. And a lot of people, this is common sense, but I mean, you don't consider that the health of your hair comes from where it grows out of your head, not the ends. So a lot of times we focus on putting all this product on the ends of our hair, but it really is about scalp health and starting that moisture and making sure that the scalp of your hair, of your head, actually has enough nutrients to promote healthy hair growth. I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand and also rub it through the ends of my hair. So, and yes, I'm going to take you guys on this journey mostly very real and raw. I'm not going to have on makeup the majority of the time. You know, I don't want this to be a really highly produced thing. I want to show you guys these products in real time, real life, how you would probably end up using them. So now that I have this on, I'm gonna let it sit for a good 10 to 15 minutes before I hop in the shower. And then I am going to follow it with the Renew shampoo while I'm in the shower. It says to emulsify in hands and apply to wet hair. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse and repeat. So what I know about these products so far is that they're very concentrated, and what a lot of people I hear do, they, you know, go ahead and just put it right on there. but you do have to kind of lather it with water first before you put it on your hair. So we're gonna try that. And then I am going to try, after that, the Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And then before I blow dry it, I'm going to try the Blowout Cream. So gonna let this sit. Stay tuned. So this is the end result of washing my hair with Monat, and then I did use the leave-in conditioner and the blowout serum before I blow dried it. I do use just a Conair blow dryer with a round brush, you know, sectioning it off in sections. But I am very happy with the products after my first wash. You know, my hair doesn't feel as dry and brittle as it normally does after drying after some other products. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner on my ends, just to kind of smooth those out a little bit, take away little frizzies. But other than that, I think I will have a pretty successful hair day.